Namaste girls. Today we will start with the new topic, that is how blood groups that are inherited. So first of all you should know about the various types of the blood groups. So there are four types of the blood groups that are present in human population. The four types of the blood group that are A, B, AB and O. And there are three types of the genes that are present in the human population. And these three types of the genes that are present in the human population that are IA, IB and IO. Now it depends upon the combination of these genes with the other gene, because for each character in any individual, two genes that are responsible. These genes that work in pairs, as we already discussed. So it depends upon the combination that it decides which type of the blood group. So when they are present in the combination, then they are known as genotypes. So for the A blood group, what will be the genotype? For this, it will be IA, 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 IO. Okay. Now here I will tell you that E, that is dominant gene, IA it is dominant gene, and B it is also dominant, but IO it is recessive gene. Okay. So when B blood group will be there, then there are two kinds of the genotypes. Now it depends that the person is having this IB or either IB or IO. Okay. Now next is AB. For AB, IA and IB that are present. Clear? So when A and B as both that are dominant, so when both the dominant genes that are present, then it will show this blood group, that is AB. Now next is O. For O it is IO and IO will be there. Means when both the recessive genes are present, then only it will show its expression. Means the O blood group that will be possible if both the genes that are present that are recessive, that is IO and IO. Now we will solve some questions related to the blood groups, that if suppose we know the blood groups of the parents, then what will be the chances of the blood groups of their progeny. Suppose we take one example. If the father is having the blood group A and mother is having the blood group B. Okay. Then what will be the chances of the blood group of their progenies? So first of all, we have to write all the possible genotypes for the blood group A. So the possible genotypes that are IA, IA and IA, IO, and here that is IB, IB, IB and IO. Okay, so now we have to do the crosses. Means, like first of all we will write the gametes. So here in this case, if suppose these are the genotypes, then the gametes, one gamete it receives the IA, some of the gametes they receive IE, some of the gametes they receive IE and some IO. So similarly the case will be there also. Now is the fusion. So if suppose these are the gametes having these genes IA, and IO, and here IB, and IO. Okay, so separately we have written the gametes. Now next is fusion. So here, as two types of the genotypes that are possible, so there will be four crosses will be there. First this with this, this with this, then this with this, and then this with this. So four crosses will be there. So let's discuss about the first cross first. That is between IA and IB. then it will form IA, IB, and then this with this, and then this with this. IA, IB, IA, IB, IA, IB. So what will be the result of this cross? Here this type of diffusion, it forms AB blood group. Here this also AB blood group. Here this also AB blood group, and this also AB blood group. Now next is second cross. Second cross that we will perform. This first we have performed this with this. Now IA with IB, IO. Okay. Then fusion IA, IB. It will form IA, IO, IA, IB, IA, IO. This will form AB. This will form A blood group. This will form AB blood group, and this will form A blood group. Now third cross. Third cross, it will be between IA, IO with IB, IB. It is IA, IO with IB, IB. It will form IA, IB, IA, IB, IB, IO, IB, IO, and it will form AB blood group. This will form AB blood group. This will form B blood group, and this will form B blood group. Okay. Now next is fourth cross. Fourth cross, it will be between IA, IO and IB, IO. IA, IO and IB, IO. Then after fusion, it can form IA, IB, IA, IO, IB, IO, IO, IO. This will form AB blood group. This will form A blood group. This will form B blood group, and this will form O blood group. Okay, so it depends upon the gamete, that which gamete having which kind of the gene it is present. So on that basis the progeny blood group will be there. So the chances of the blood group will be, it can be A, it can be B, it can be AB, and it can be O. So in the same manner, first we have to write the genotypes of the parents, and then we have to perform the cross, and then we will come to know about the blood group of the progeny.